I am super happy that the road is being fixed. Like, it's so awesome. Going in the new year with the new road, that's just so cool. Like, nobody does it any cooler.
Attitude, I mean dance feet, yes, I mean. Yeah.
Yo, I know say Elrico Legacy I represent for Michael Super Awesome channel. You see me as a like, share, subscribe, comment, click on the vlogging channel. You see me as a image jogging channel.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all doing great, Hope you all doing well, and you know what they do, So, just do the do, like, comment, and share. And if you are new, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. And when you do subscribe, just turn on the notification bell and put it on all, so that when we drop a video, you are the first, and I mean the first one, to be notified every time we upload a video. Okay, remember, ads are placed on the video them, so just watch them out for me, viewers. Don't skip them. As you can see, work in progress continue. The machine them a line up to go do some brand new piece of asphalt, more asphalt road again for the holiday. So I guess this is, you can call Trinityville Christmas gift. You get what I say, viewers and subscribers? Yes, Kolila to be exact, Trinityville St. Thomas. Brand new piece of asphalt. So what am I doing now? Am I extend the asphalt in the community? You get what I say? Because if you not for the channel for over this past few years, you would know, so why the asphalt in stop right at the sign and say welcome to Trinityville. So what am I doing now? Am I extend it more in the district? So I mean put on more asphalt. They'll continue from there, so up more in the district to round a broke down. That are where you can find blue diamond and them something. So what the them I do now, they for notice the workman them cleaning up their machine, make sure the machine up and running. That means to say when them start with the asphalt, itching and no buffing and no shuffling, everything just runs smooth. And I want to take time out to big up this working team, cement and asphalt. I remember, viewers, this is not an advertisement, but when somebody done good, you need to credit them. Cement and asphalt, remember me tell you this, viewers and subscribers, if them continue to do the work that we see them performing, one of these time, maybe now, who to tell, them are going to be the #1 asphalting team in Jamaica. Yes, man, and big up the youth like Pinchers, Taya, also Shaba, and the team leader, Whitehead. Him run this team, a theme team this. Otherwise, you can see him as the supervisor as far as me see. Yeah, man, them a perform a good work. Me I tell you that, viewers and subscribers. As I can see, gentlemen, them a clean up the machine. All of the machine them a take time go down to the location where them a go start work from. As you can see in the starting of the video, you can see them need to measure out the road. Cause just come and just throw down asphalt like that, You have to measure. Cause remember, them have to do one side, then divert the vehicle on the next side, then them do the other side. So if you see, I start in the video, you see the gentleman have the thing in the middle of the road, a line out and around the wheel. Yes, that's what. So this video now, we are going to some more details of this video for you to see and know some things what take place while asphalting being progressing. You get what I say, viewers? Yeah, man, because many of you may just pass and see asphalt light on the road, but you may not know how it starts, how everything, began. So we're just going to more details now in this video to make you see and have an understanding of how everything taking process. You get what I say, viewers? Yeah, man, so we just bless up to each and everyone, just continue to watch the video because who to tell you may learn something out of this, something what you may not know. You get what I say, viewers and subscribers? So we say bless up to each and everyone, manners and respect, man. Just continue to watch the video because you're going to see a lot more. Remember, this asphalt is taking place in Trinityville, Kolila to be exact, St. Thomas. Bless up. So as all can see, viewers, the gentleman, yes, my mark out half of the road. As me telling already, them have to divert the vehicle, so them have a line where them a mark. So that's the line them will do to one side and then take the next side. So continue watch the video, a lot more for you see and know. So welcome to the part of the island now, viewers and subscribers. Cause you know if you island road first, before you start anything for you put on asphalt, so you have to do the island. So this is the island part. So the truck ready now, I dump out the asphalt in the paving machine so that they can get their work on the way. And that is where them are going to start from. Because that is one side where the complete come to this already. So them are going to start from the side there. And then when them finish and go up more, then them are going to take the next side. Hope you understand what I mean. You understand me as a viewers? Honest. So when you start, viewers, remember them have to catch it on a level. So that's what them are do right now. Catch it on a level. Where them are gonna put either 2 inch, 2.5, 3 inch or any amount, have to catch that level first. So that's what they are doing now, catching the level before them go along them way. You get to me as a viewers? Bless you. Viewers and subscribers, watch the video carefully, cause remember you gotta speak your mind in the comment section. If you ask me how about the road, I would tell you say, okay, look alright, feel alright, and then I say, what speak your mind in the comment section. I need to hear your view there. Okay, viewers and subscribers, continue watch the video more to see. Take a good look, viewers. 2 inch and more. Yes, 2 inch and more, not less. Speak your mind in the comment section. And as you can see, this is one side. So soon they're gonna go on the next side. So look on the level of it. So viewers and subscribers, this is where the next side I got join. As you can see, sorry if you never show the next side and did that join, but whenever I get video that part, them never reach in time. So this is where the next side I got join. So as you can see, them cut it. That side over the side is already joined already. As me say, I never dip on spot when I do it. Come reach late, so I'm gonna make you see that side and now how them I go join it. You get what I say, viewers and subscribers, family sub. So me say if everybody up, just press the thumbs up, man, and show me sound up, man. Work in progress, continue the development of St. Thomas. St. Thomas time to shine. You get what I say, viewers and subscribers. Honors, man, continue watch the video. Bless up. So viewers and subscribers, take a look at this level. Take a look at this. Tell me what you people think. Isn't that level? Take a good look. Masterpiece of work, man. Whitehead and him team. Shabba Pinchers. Yes, man. Performing a good work. Viewers and subscribers, me can tell you because we see it and me are showing it. So be the judge on it. Leave your comment in the comment section, viewers. Tell me what you people think. Did you know that they use tape? That is a tape. Them take it up in a tape. Did you know that? Some may know, some may not know. So as me say, continue watch the video. Many more for you to see and know. Okay, viewers and subscribers. And the company that doing this work is Cement and Asphalt. Continue watch the video.
super happy that the road is being fixed. Like, it's so awesome. Going in the new road, that's just so cool. Like, nobody does it any cooler.
Attitude, I mean, dance street, yes, I mean. Yeah.
When they hear me born. No, son, no, I'm good. No matter with that. Who right no matter with that? Yeah, man. I right, man. That's how I'm talking. That's it. Right, man. That's tough, man. Well, yeah, I'm for the laugh. All right.
So, viewers and subscribers, as we all bring it to you. So, it's up to you now to speak your mind in the comment section. Tell me what you people think. As we said, this team Asphalt, Cement and Asphalt perform a good work. So, if them continue to do a work like this right across every platform and everywhere that them go, then one of these days them gonna be the #1 asphalting team in Jamaica. Yes, if them continue like this, because this work that me see them perform, remember me tell I lift my hat to them for that. Yes, man. So the vehicle are more free now, viewers and subscribers, free and nice. Road fixed, road, everything nice in the community. So Trinityville get them Christmas gift. I thought it was Cedar Valley would get it, but Trinityville get it. So when them finish here, so now Cedar Valley them heading. You understand me? The same team will be going to Cedar Valley. So now that we come to the end of another video, hope you all enjoyed. Please speak your mind in the comment section. And as I say, viewers and if you're new and subscribe to my channel, thank you very much. And if you watch out ads of me, thank you very much. And if you leave a like, bless up, man. Thank you very much. You get what I say? So I said now we come to the end of another video. Hope you all enjoy it. And I hope you all learn something from it also. So we say see you people in the next video, you know. Safe travel upon the gravel, you know. Bless up to each and every one. Manners and respect. I'm out.